Welcome to Homegrown in the Kitchen. Today we're going to have a toss-up snack. This is really easy to make with children 5 and up. They can be involved in it, and as a parent you feel no guilt because they're getting whole grains, fruit, and if you have nuts or almonds or soy nuts, something involved, you have your protein along with dairy. So it's healthy and it's easy to make. So we have here yogurt covered raisins, banana chips, dried cranberries, and we also have some whole wheat square cereal. So you take about half a cup of your cereal 2 times. So you're gonna have about a cup. Then you get a 1/4 cup of everything else. And this is where it's easy for your children to do this. It doesn't make too much of a mess. Now with the children, they get their hands in and mix it all around so that way it's incorporated. And then you just get your snack bags. You get about a half a cup in each snack bag. A heaping half a cup. Now for a small child, that's pretty good amount for a snack. If you have an older child, I would double the amount. But it's easy, simple to make, and healthy. Check out this and many other recipes in the link below.